In front of me is the LENOVO Idea Tab Plus 12.1 Mate Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Biometrics and Passwords. Now tap on Passwords under Ways to Unlock and pick one of those login methods by clicking on the best one for you: pattern, pin, or password. Let's go with pattern. It's time to create your login method and repeat it to confirm it. Once you finish, hit Done at the bottom. Now adjust your lock screen notifications by selecting one of those options: Show sensitive content only when locked, Show sensitive content only when unlocked, or Don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided, when you're done, click on Done. So when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!